Hey guys, it's your girl Shell. Welcome back to Let's Begin. And today I am going to be doing my first ever watercoloring. I'm not going to tell you what color it is. You guys are just going to see. Right now, I'm just showing you what the wig looks like beforehand. Remember, this is Kaia from the Red Carpet Collection by Main Concepts in the color 613. This wig was bomb, you guys. I sleep in it and everything. There were still some cons I didn't like about the wig, but I'm going to get to that towards later in this video, but I still love the pattern. So right now I'm just showing you guys the color that I got from Ion, and I got that from Sally's. Yeah, I believe I got it from Sally's. Then I got my hot water ready that I just put in a bowl, and then I just go ahead and pour all of the dye into the bowl as much as I can. And I realized it was dark, so I ended up turning on the light. There you go. Once I did that, I started stirring up the dye with the water so I can prep it for the hair to go in. I didn't know how hot it was supposed to be, so I just did boiling water and let it sit for a little bit. Next, I just go ahead and dip the hair in, and then I pull it back out to see the coloring. And I already knew then that it wasn't going to dye the red that I wanted to, but I really wanted it pink anyway, so it was fine with me. But I was like, I'm still gonna let it sit. I let it sit for like an hour, you guys, and then I checked it again, and I seen that the dye was still not taken. I let it sit another 30 minutes, and then I took it out, and that was the end result of the color that I ended up getting. I patted it down, and then I let it dry to see what color it would turn out, because here I knew it was going to be some type of pink, but I didn't know what type of pink. And she's kind of down now. I'm not going to style her today. I'm going to let her dry, and I'll probably style it for you tomorrow. The watercolor method does work. It just does not dye the color that you want. I don't know if I'm going to come back and she's going to be still wavy, or should I straighten her, but we'll see.
To come off IG so they can't stalk me. There's Lil Weezy, the Barbie, and Drizzy Drake. Niggas getting more cheese, kissy face. Like me, on the beat, and the man just look like me. When I'm cooking a mat and cook like me, but ain't nigga you.
I just want to let you know styling is optional, you guys, but it does make the wig look better. Next, I'm just going to put some little swoops on the sides, which you're going to need the gas to be a toothbrush and the freeze spray for. And I didn't really care what they look like because I just was doing it for the styling of the video. So I did one side and then I do the other, and voila.
Look like I'm going for a swim. Dunk on them now, I'm swinging up the rim.
I'm always in the top shit. Box seats, bitch, fuck the gossip. How many of them put the jitty with finesse? They need rappers like me, so they can get on their fucking keyboards and make me the bad guy join me.
Right, guys, what's up? What's the deal? So this is the result of the watercoloring. So I want to know y'all guys is wondering like how it go from dark to this light pink right here. Well, let me tell you, cause sis was bleeding. Okay, sis was bleeding more than me, and I ain't even on my period. Sis was bleeding like she a blood. I was confused. I got dye everywhere over my house. I am pissed. But so after I got done filming, I let her dry, and the color was so pretty. I'm mad I didn't get to take a picture of it because I was just so mad it was bleeding. It was up top and it was like this color down bottom. It looked so pretty. But like I said, it was bleeding like everywhere. I had it on a collar. It was like right here. It was on the back of my neck. I went to grab the wig and I was like, you know, you doing my little routine, like spraying the leave-in conditioner and brushing it. My hands was getting back pink. I shampooed and conditioned it and dried it, and this is the color that I got. So I'm gonna scoot up so you can see a little bit more. So y'all can see it's kind of blondish, but not really. It goes into like a rose gold color, and then it has like this. I think this like the darker pink is from when I was actually putting the dye on it. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. The second time I did it, I ain't let it air dry. I just threw it in the dryer, so she's definitely shitting like crazy. Remember I was telling y'all the wiring that was annoying me? This is what it looked like. I ended up cutting them out, and I cut the combs out as usual. So if you get this wig, you're going to have to cut them out. You're going to have to cut around the airport to make it so that it's comfortable, because it hurt it so bad. Updos is not it. I'm inserting clips of what I did do, but it showed, the track shows so bad in this wig. Like, y'all see that? I'll just see if I can fix that. Oh, I haven't messed up my ponytail doing it. Oh well. But yeah, the track shows so bad, and I'm gonna insert clips of the videos and pictures that I had did trying to do different styles in this wig. So updo, no. You maybe can do something like this. That's why I did this hairstyle, just to show y'all, you know. But other than that, it's a no. Would I buy this wig again? Yes. This is my second time actually buying the wig. But would I buy it in blonde again? No, I would not. Will I buy blonde hair again? Yes. Get a blonde wig, but like a frontal wig, because I want to challenge myself to see if I can really make it look nice. So I'll get blonde again. I will get blonde again, because it did grow on me, because at first, you know, I was hating it. Everyone loves this wig, y'all. I got so many compliments. Stuff that I just showed y'all that was on the side of the earring, that was a con. The track show in this wig, that's a con. And you know I don't like lace parting. But the pros is sis bounces back. This pattern don't go nowhere. It don't matter how you dry her, comb her, let her get tangled. This pattern, y'all, is bomb. It is so bomb. Every time I wash it, it would just come back to this like snap back, even when you brush it. And I told you this is a low maintenance wig. It's great for every day. I sleep in this wig. I'm not talking bonnet either. I sleep in this wig. So I would definitely suggest this wig. Just let you know, if you try this watercoloring and do the little dryer thing that I did, like, she is gonna dry out, but it's not gonna affect it. You can't even tell. I do water and coloring again. I don't know if I'm gonna do some watercoloring again. Y'all gonna have to pray for me for that, because that was just a little bit too much for me. I mean, it was easy, but it wasn't. So I don't know. But yeah, you guys, I just basically wanted to give y'all an update on this wig. Remember, this is Kaia, and she's from Main Concepts Red Carpet Collection. I got her, I believe, for like $20-something. So, you know, that's not bad. You know, quick little wig that you can keep, you know, and you can style her, you know, somewhat. And I'm going to straighten her.
Press.
So if you want me to see how it's going to look straightened, I'm going to need y'all guys to follow me on Instagram, which is Letzbegin_. Alright guys, so I know I told y'all I want y'all to follow me on Instagram to see the hair straightened. But I'm going to give y'all a little sneak peek of what it looks like straightening. It is bomb. Sis flows, okay? It already had a little natural layer. I just put like a little bit of layer in it. I only straightened one side on this, and I just showed you guys. But make sure you like and subscribe. Until next time, deuces, y'all.